Hello student, today we shall learn about the kinds of sentences. Basically there are four kind of sentences. Look at here. First is assertive sentences or declarative sentences. Second is questions or interrogative sentences. Third is command or imperative sentences. And the fourth one is exclamatory sentences. Let's see the definition of this kind of sentences. Now the first one is assertive or declarative sentences. A sentence that state or declare something is called a declarative sentence. It tell information, means those sentences are provide us the information about the subject, that is called the assertive sentence or declarative sentence. I am giving two example here. The sun rises in the east. Here we get the information about the sun, that it rises in the east. Now the second sentence, the boys made a noise. Here we get information about the boys, that the boys made a noise. So these are the example of assertive sentences or declarative sentences. Now here is two type of assertive sentences or declarative sentences. The first one is affirmative sentences. Affirmative sentences makes positive statements. Okay, for example, rose is a beautiful flower. So which sentences give us positive statement, that are the affirmative sentences. And the negative sentences, negative words like no, not, never, etc. are used in these kind of sentences. For the example, he is not a good student. Here not is a negative word, so this is a negative sentence. Okay, now come forward. The next is interrogative sentence or question sentence. A sentence that asks a question is called an interrogative sentence. वो सेंटेंसेस जिसमें क्वेश्चन पूछे जाते हैं, दैट आर कॉल्ड द इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस और क्वेश्चन सेंटेंस. द टाइप्स ऑफ क्वेश्चंस, देयर इज थ्री टाइप्स ऑफ क्वेश्चंस. द फर्स्ट वन इज यस और नो क्वेश्चन. हेयर the answer demands an affirmative or negative reply. The question demand to the answer that it should be an affirmative or negative reply. Suppose if I am asking you, I am giving one example here, is this your pen? So what will be your reply? Yes or no. Now the second type of questions are WH or H question. That means the WH family word will occur here or H type of word will come here. So the question demand to the answer that the answer should be come in a statement, that how are you. I am giving one example here, how are you? So I am fine. So this is a statement, I am fine. I am taking one more example, what is your name? So there is one other statement, that my name is Shuchi Avasthi. So these are WH or H type of question. Now the third type of questions are alternative question. The alternative questions require the option in the question. That means ki the question provide you option between two or three things and you have to select one option. So here is one example, should be clear you more. The example is, do you want a book or notebook? Here there is option between the book and notebook, book or notebook. So you have to select one option. The answer should be book or notebook. Okay, so this is the type of alternative questions. Okay, come to the next. The third is imperative or command sentences. A sentence that expresses a command, a request or a desire is called an imperative sentences. Okay, so I am giving you some example here. Suppose there is first example, shut the door. So shut the door is a command which is given by somebody. Okay, and the second example is, please let me work. So here the word please shows that it is a request. Okay, so this is an imperative sentence. Now the third one is, may God bless you. Here may is come. So may is usually used for the wish, and the wish is come in the desire. So it is also come in the imperative sentences. Here one more thing you have to remember, that in the imperative sentences the subject you is understood. Here if I am taking one example, shut the door, that means you shut the door. Okay, so here you is understood in this sentence. So in the imperative sentences the subject you is understood. You have to remember this thing. Now come next. Now the fourth one is exclamatory sentences. So what are the exclamatory sentences? Let's see the definition. A sentence that express some strong or sudden feeling is called an exclamatory sentences. For example, what a pleasant weather. Here I am expressing my feeling that what a pleasant weather. There is a strong feeling, okay, or we can use it a sudden feeling also. Oh, what is this? So this is again an exclamatory sentence which is showing the sudden feeling, which is showing the sudden feeling. Oh, okay, so oh word is showing the sudden feeling, so this is also an exclamatory type of sentence. Now here one more thing you have to remember, that every sentence begin with a capital letter, okay, and there is a few more points here, that a full stop will come after the declarative sentence, at the end of the declarative sentence. A question mark will come in the interrogative sentences or question sentences. The full stop will come also imperative sentences, and the exclamatory mark, exclamation sign, will come after the and the at the end of exclamatory sentences. So these are the four kind of sentences. Now let's do a little small exercise for the practice. Now look at these sentences, identify the type of sentences. The first one is, how beautiful is the day. So here exclamation sign is given and this is a feeling. So this is a strong feeling, how beautiful is the day. So this is an exclamatory sentence. Now the second one is, Sachin is a great cricketer. Now this is a statement. The statement is provide information about the Sachin, that Sachin is a great cricketer, so it is a declarative sentence or assertive sentence. Now the third one is, what on earth are you doing? What on earth are you doing? Now here the word what is come from the WH family, so it is an interrogative sentence. Okay, now the third one is, go to your home. Here you is understood. So when you is understood in the sentence, then that means ki it is an imperative sentence. Okay, and the type of imperative sentence is a this is a command. Okay, now I cannot believe him to be the murderer. I cannot believe him to be a murderer. So here I am providing an information but with a negative word. The cannot sound us a negative sound. The cannot give us a negative sound. That is why this is an assertive sentence, but it is a negative form. Now, do you want coffee? Here is a choice. Do you want a coffee? But the choice is not given. There is not given that coffee or tea. There is only yes or no answer. So this is a interrogative sentence. The form of question is yes or no. Now the seventh one is, cat catches mice. So this is information, so it is an assertive or declarative sentence. Now elephants have a good memory, so it is also an information provided by the sentence for the elephants, that elephants have a good memory. That means ki it is an declarative or assertive sentence. Now the ninth sentence is, what a beautiful sight. Now here again the feeling is feeling occurred, that what a beautiful sight. So this is also a exclamatory sentence, also an exclamatory sentence, and here exclamation sign is also come, so that is why you can find out that this is a exclamatory sentence. Now the 10th and the last is, don't touch it. So it is a command, don't touch it, and here the you is understood, you don't touch it. that means ki it is an imperative sentence. So it is all about the type of sentences, the kinds of sentences. I think you have to understand it very well. Now thank you.